Hola, soy Antonio y soy de Perú. Welcome to Belmond and Juluca at Uchu, and today we're gonna make a ceviche classic. Today we're gonna make ceviche, and for make ceviche we need to have two ingredients. First, the tiger milk and also the fish or the seafood too. So in this occasion we have limes, we have celery, we have onions, and we have also cilantro. This is the base for make the tiger milk. Tiger milk is the soul of the ceviche. We can find ceviche in every part of the world, but in Peru we have the different ceviche because we have a special ingredient that we call ají limo. So let's go now to make the ceviche. Okay, so to make the tiger milk, we need to have some celery. Here we have some celery that we're gonna chop. You don't need to worry about the cuts. After that, we have some lime, and also we have some red onion too. So we're gonna cut the lime. So most of the time, for make ceviche, they used to press to get the juice. Here at Uchu, we don't use this machine. No, we cut the lime and we press with our hands. The idea is, if you press this stronger, you will get all this oil from the lime, and it's gonna be very bitter. So yes, press a little bit, and you get here all the flavor. We have the cilantro, and we are gonna use the stems. So the leaf, we are gonna take it out to garnish, but with this, we are gonna use the tiger milk. We don't waste nothing, no? This has a lot of flavor too. So we're gonna put also this inside, and also here I have lime juice, and then we're gonna mix it too. The lime in Peru is totally different. The lime from Peru is bigger and also have a lot of juice. So when you make ceviche, you need to have a special lime and a special chili that we call here ají limo. Ají limo is a chili from Peru, like habanero, okay, but this is red, but it's very spicy and also it's very aromatic. So when you eat, it's spicy, flavor, it's not something like the Scotch pepper. When you eat, it's too spicy and you don't have flavor, but you can eat. With this is different. It's very flavory and also it's spicy. And also we have a special pepper that we call rocoto. It's very red. It looks like a red bell pepper, but this is spicy. And the difference is the seeds are the color black. It's the only pepper in the world that they have the seeds color black. Quilimo.
85% of the products
from Peru.
Wow.
The potatoes, the chiles, the corn.
So it's as genuine Peruvian as you can
Of
get.
course. Also our dishes, the plate we make from Peru.
The plates are made in Peru?
Yes.
No way.
This plate, no special artist, they made for us. And you can see,
Handcrafted plates?
yes, here at Uchu we try to make 100% Peruvian, and this is part of Belmond too, our culture. Ginger, okay, but there's two techniques. You can use with your knife, and also the other, to clean the ginger, you need to use a spoon. So remember, the tiger milk is the base of the ceviche, the soul. So we can make ceviche, but the flavor is in the tiger milk. If your tiger milk is not good, you're not gonna have, no. Remember also, you need to have a fresh fish. So also we need to think about the fish.
So all your fish here today is fresh?
Yes, and the seafood. No, but most of the time the fish is the artist here, not the main actor. So we need to respect the product because he died for us, no? So we need to respect the fisherman, we need to respect also the fish. And also we need to respect of our guests. That's the idea is, when you cook, you need to cook with passion, with love. Because at the end is, I put all my energy, my love when I make a dish. Also my chef in the kitchen, they used to do the same. So the idea of this is make something that we really love and also make something special, no? So we have here the garlic, and also have here the ginger, and we need to mash. Why? Because when you mash, you will get the oil from here, the flavors from the ginger. So here you can see, you have the onion, you have the ginger, you have the celery, the lime, you have everything here. Now we're gonna finish the tiger milk. So for this, when we have the tiger milk, we need to add some salt to get the flavor. You need to put a lot of salt. Remember, it's very acid because of the lime. Remember, we have the red onion. So when you cut the red onion, we need to put with water to remove all the flavor, no, the sour flavor from the red onion.
Wow.
And also we put some ice to get the red onion crispy to garnish. So here I have some fish stock. We add also in the tiger milk. So here I have a hand blender. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blend the tiger milk, but the idea is just to mix the products. No, we are not going to blend all of this because we don't want to make a puree of it. We just want to get the base with the fish broth, with the lime mixed together. As you can see, when we start mixing, the fish broth start to change in the color and try to look like a milk. So here what we're gonna do, we are going to strain the tiger milk, and then we're going to mash to get all the flavors here. So here we have our tiger milk. We're gonna cut the seafood, the shrimp, the octopus, and also we're gonna mix with the fish, and then we're gonna make the ceviche. Today we have a fresh mahi. So what we were trying to do is to cut the fish in small cubes, and then after that we are gonna put some salt in the fish. So remember, when you put the salt in the ceviche, you need to mix properly. We would like to have like a special skin to cover the fish, because when you put the lime, we don't want to overcook the fish. So when you put the salt, you need to mix and mash to get all the flavor here. After that, when it's ready, we're gonna put the shrimp, we're gonna put the scallops, we're gonna put also the octopus, no? So we're gonna add our ají limo. Our ají limo is very unique because the ají limo is only grown in Peru. It's a special chili that is very aromatic and also have a lot of flavor. Also it's spicy, yes?
This is some yummy cilantro.
Yes, and when you cut the cilantro, you need to cut very, very fine like this. Here we have our tiger milk. So what I want you to do is, I would like you to taste this first.
Oh, yum.
This is the tiger milk that we have already. But as you can see, looks like milk.
Yes.
Okay, taste and let me know. And let me know about...
Do I do like the chef I put in my arm?
No, you can take. We have a lot of spoons here, don't worry. How you feel?
I feel like I'm in Peru.
Yes, but
It's very acidic.
it's warm. Yeah, it's acid and it's warm. When you make ceviche, it needs to be very, very cold. When you make the ceviche and it's very cold, change.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is simple. We're gonna do one ingredient that we call here ice. And also, you remember the water that we have here from the onions. All the flavor is here. So we need to add a little bit of this. We have some rocoto. That's another Peruvian chili. Remember I told you, this rocoto, the only pepper that have black seeds in the world.
Yeah.
So we have here the rocoto. So we need to leave there a little bit to get cold. Here we have also our seafood, and we're gonna put some ice also, because this need to be very, very cold. We're gonna mix this. Here we have some Peruvian corn, we call choclo. Also, remember the ceviche sometimes is spicy, so to reduce the spicy flavor, we use this sweet potato. So we put sweet potato too here, some Peruvian corn that we deep fry.
I love that one.
We're gonna plate our ceviche, and also on the top we're gonna put a cracker with rice. So you wanna see how we make the cracker with rice?
Yes.
Okay.
To the kitchen.
So here we have the rice cracker.
Oh my god, I want to eat that now. What a beautiful rice cracker. Just drop it in?
Yeah, that's it. It's going to come out
Oh my god.
with charcoal.
This is a charcoal rice cracker.
Yes.
And all of these are homemade in your kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So put here.
I'm so impressed with your rice crackers.
So we make with charcoal, we make with also with ginger, we have also with nori, we have a lot of garnish at Uchu. So imagine to garnish your plate, we have these beautiful crackers to garnish. So remember,
These two.
we put already the ice
Yes.
to make it cold. So please, you will make the difference because you have the flavor on your mind now.
Oh my god. That's night and day.
It's the same why we put the ice on. You need to be very cold.
It's night and day.
We're gonna put the tiger milk, and then we are going to garnish with our rice cracker. And here we have our mixed ceviche. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, I'll taste the fish first. I'm so excited. Unreal. It's so fresh. I seriously could eat this every day.
Really?
I could eat this every day. The best ceviche I've ever had. The most like authentic, culturally rich ceviche. It's unbelievable. It's a must. Well, that was a quick ceviche making class with Chef Antonio. It is seriously one of the best in the world. If you want authentic Peruvian food, be sure to check out Uchu. It is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.